Hey everyone, and welcome back to HandiWorks. I'm using cotton fabric for this project, but you can choose any fabric you like, though I recommend using thicker fabric for added durability. This method of cutwork embroidery is fantastic for decorating your clothes, whether it's a denim jacket, a t-shirt, or even a dress. You can also try it on home decor items like cushions or table runners. Starting with the heart, I carefully cut out the shape on the fabric. I'm using my handy hoop stand to keep everything stable and comfortable while I stitch. To secure the edges and prevent any threads from loosening, I used a blanket stitch around the heart's edges. If your thread runs out before you complete the stitches, don't worry. Just follow these steps to change to a new thread. It's a simple process that ensures your work stays neat and consistent. Next, we'll fill in the heart with a detached buttonhole stitch. This creates a lovely textured effect that's perfect for this design. For weaving stitches, I'm using a tapestry needle. Its blunt point is perfect for weaving through the fabric without splitting the threads, which keeps the stitches smooth and even. You have the option to either fill the entire heart or leave a small hole in the center for a different effect. We'll again use a blanket stitch around the edges, followed by a raised chain stitch to fill the shape. This gives the leaf a beautiful, almost 3D look. Remember, before you start filling in each shape, make sure to secure the edges with a blanket stitch. This will prevent the fabric from fraying and keep your stitches looking neat and tidy. For the tree design, I opted for an interlaced backstitch, which gives the tree a strong, structured look. Don't forget, you can experiment with different thread colors and fabrics to match your style. Whether you're sprucing up an old garment or creating something new, this project is a fun and creative way to express yourself through embroidery. Next is the flower. We'll use a delicate sail-on stitch for the petals and a simple back stitch for the stem. These cutwork designs are a fantastic way to add a unique and personalized touch to your projects. They look amazing on clothes, bags, caps, and so much more. Get creative with your color choices and stitch combinations, and have fun experimenting with different shapes and patterns. Moving on to the fish, we'll fill the shape with a ladder stitch. This creates a lovely woven effect that's perfect for representing scales. Finally, for the mushroom, we'll use a knotted loop stitch for the stalk and a detached buttonhole stitch for the cap. This gives the mushroom a whimsical textured look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative inspiration. And most importantly, have fun stitching.